Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica. In today's video, I am going to show you how I cleaned and decorated the master bedroom and bathroom. I am so in love with all of these beautiful, soothing, cozy neutrals. So I decided to add a few here in the master bedroom and the bathroom. So let's just get right into this video and I hope you guys all enjoy. So since this particular day, it was early in the morning, I wanted to kind of show you a little bit of how I get my day started. So after I have my coffee, I do fill up a glass full of ice water and then I'll add a little bit of frozen pineapple to that just to give it a really good flavor. Drinking lots of water throughout the day is very important for your health, and so is taking vitamins or making sure that you are eating healthy. And I am taking some care of vitamins. I have been taking these vitamins for probably about 4 weeks now. I love how they are tailored specifically for my needs. I trust the brand Care of because they are formulated with good for you clean ingredients that are backed by science. They are also super transparent about their research and the sourcing behind every single product. So I got the vegetarian collagen vitamins that support healthy hair and nails. My health goal this year is to finally get my hair and nails healthy, and I feel like I am definitely on the right track by taking these vitamins. I feel like taking my vitamins and eating healthy is definitely a win. Okay, you guys, so you don't have to make huge, big New Year's resolutions to take care of your health. Small, impactful changes can be just as important. If you're focusing on energy, sleep, or fitness this year, adding a daily vitamin that target those goals can help you make long-term changes. Trust me, I have definitely been one of those that have tried to do like the fad diets and all that stuff, and I usually end up falling back to how I ate before. So making these lifestyle changes are definitely good, and something as small as just taking a daily vitamin can definitely make a huge difference. So if you don't know how to get started, I'm going to show you right here. It is super simple and easy. So what you do is you just click on the link that I provide for you down in my description box, and then you just take their online quiz. It asks a series of questions about your diet, lifestyle, health concerns, and all that stuff to help address the specific wellness goals that you might have. It's like getting a one-on-one consultation with your nutritionalist. Care of is definitely committed to providing a tailored, holistic approach to your unique health needs. So you'll get your order shipped straight to your door. It is so simple, so easy, and these vitamins are made specifically for your health needs that you are trying to improve. Like for me, it was definitely my hair and nails. I also wanted to quickly mention that the personalized daily packs that your vitamins come in are made with eco-friendly compostable film. I'm going to go ahead and leave that information here up on the screen. So click the link down in my description box, take the quiz, and start getting your vitamins. Make sure that you use my code MonicaRose for 50% off. Okay, so whenever I give my bedroom a really good clean, I love ending the day with freshly washed sheets. To me, there is nothing better than climbing into bed with a fresh, crisp set of clean sheets. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just throwing those in the washer, and today I'm going to be using the original Gain laundry detergent, and then I'm also going to be using the Downy Rose Scented Fabric Softener. This one smells really, really good. And then I always love using the Lysol laundry sanitizer whenever I wash my sheets or my towels. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of that in there as well. Okay, so I did take about an hour break between those last two clips. So my sheets were all clean and I was about to make the bed and then realized that I wanted to decorate that wall right above my bed. So I'm going to do that really quickly. I purchased this really pretty boho style dream catcher at Home Goods the other day. It was only $14.99. I thought it was so pretty, and it had those neutral colors that I am definitely going for in here, and it was simple. I didn't want to add too much on this wall, and I think this dream catcher just looks absolutely perfect. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need you. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid. Okay, so now that I have that wall decorated, I am just going to quickly make the bed, and then I did find a few more decor pieces. I found a couple more pieces at Home Goods, which I will show you here in a few minutes, and then I did find something at Target as well, and I am just so incredibly in love with this neutral look that I am doing lately. I feel like it's definitely more calming. I do love color, don't get me wrong. I love to add color throughout the seasons and all that, but for some reason now I am just loving the creams and the whites so much, and I am also loving decluttering my spaces. I feel like I have so much less anxiety than I did before, and I just love it. So I am really getting into the decluttering and the neutral decor, and I really do feel like it's giving me peace of mind when I walk into a room that has really light neutral colors and things are just put away in their place and there isn't stuff just everywhere. Let me know down in the comments if you are the same way. I know that I do love decorating and I do love decor, but sometimes too much of it definitely gives me anxiety, and it just gives me this odd, uneasy feeling. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, but let me know down in the comments below if you are the same way. Because now I see we were meant to be. So I did find this pillow at Home Goods. I love it. It matches with my comforter, and it just kind of offsets that white with a richer cream color, and it was $29.99, and I am loving it, and I think it looks perfect here on the bed. So now I'm just going to declutter the space up here on my dresser and give it a good wipe down. I'm going to dust it with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose everyday cleaning spray, and this scent is in the Snowdrop, and I did end up using the last of it, and I can't wait for the spring scents to come out. Let me know if you guys have been to Target and you guys have seen the spring scents as far as the Mrs. Meyer's cleaners. I love the spring scents, and I am definitely looking forward to buying the lilac one. That is definitely one of my favorites, and I just love it. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my diffuser going, and today I will be adding the vanilla scent, and this is by Woolsey's. So I wanted to add some type of greenery to the corner of my room, and I felt like this tree would look perfect. It was $69.99, and I purchased it at Home Goods, and I absolutely love it. I honestly wish that I can purchase a real one, but right now I just do not know how to take care of these, and I don't want it to die. So I'm going with a artificial tree. So I wasn't really loving the pot that it came in, so I found this really pretty looking pot at where was it? Home Depot. And then I didn't like the color. It was like a peachy terracotta color, so I just used some regular craft paint and I just quickly painted over that. I did just set the pot in there. I didn't take the tree out of the original pot, so I think what I'm going to do is just go to the store and purchase some moss or something. I haven't done that yet, but as you can see, the top part of the original pot kind of shows through, and I don't really like that. So I think I'm just gonna buy some moss at a craft store and then just kind of place that on top to kind of hide that original pot that you can see there. But I love the way this looks. It adds a pop of color in this room, and it just kind of goes with the whole vibe of that neutral look, and I love it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dust this console table that I have right underneath my TV, and once I get that finished, I'm gonna head on into the bathroom. The first thing I'm going to do is clean the mirrors, and then I'll work my way down to the countertops. And for my mirrors, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day glass cleaner. This is in the lavender scent, and then I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner, and that is in the peppermint scent. I just want to take a really quick second and say thank you to everybody that has continued to support my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for showing up for each of my videos and watching them all the way through. I honestly, truly appreciate it so much, and I can't even begin to tell you how grateful I am for each and every one of you. If you are watching my video today and this is the first time you have ever been here, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you so much, and I would love it if you introduced yourself down in the comments below. Just said hi, let me know that you are new. I love getting to know each and every one of you. Also, if you have not yet already followed me over on Instagram, I would love it if you hopped on over there and followed me there as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave my handle here. It is also linked in my description box, but I do post over there every single day and a little bit more of just like my everyday life. So yeah, I would love it if you went over there, and I did want to say thank you, and I hope you guys are all enjoying the video so far. Was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small. Now that I have the mirrors and the countertops over here nice and clean, I'm going to head on over to my tub and give that a really good clean as well. And today I will be using the soft scrub cleanser with bleach. So now that I have everything nice and clean in here, I'm going to add a little bit of decor, and I did find this candle holder at Ross, and I believe it was $6.99. I did take the tag off, but I just added an unscented candle in there and then set it on that bath tray. And then here's a plant that I recently found at Target, and honestly it looks so real, it even kind of feels real. So I thought it would look perfect here on this little macrame shelf that I have on the wall, and I love it. It adds a little tiny pop of color, keeping with that neutral look, and I just think it looks so pretty. And I do believe the plant was, I want to say it was $12.99. I'm not 100% sure, but if I can find a link for it, I definitely will leave it in my description box. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Please make sure that you check out the link for Care Of, take the quiz, and get your vitamins that are specifically tailored to fit your goals and needs. And make sure that you use my code Monica Rose so you get 50% off of your order. I hope today's video was inspiring as far as decorating and motivating as far as cleaning. And I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.